Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. If this is your first time of stopping by, I say welcome. You are highly welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Join the growing family. So for this hair bow, I started by getting the center of my fabric. So I have 8 inches. I'm marking with 8 inches, and the center is 4, so that 4 inches is what I'm going to mark round to get a circle. So I have two methods of getting this circle. This is the first one. I'm going to go ahead and do the second one. Which do you prefer? I think I prefer this second one. Which do you prefer? Please leave a comment below and tell me which one you prefer. So for this second one, I folded my fabric into two, as you can see. Then I started marking 4 inches all round. It's like marking a semicircle. Then when you open it, you are going to have a full circle, and this is the two of it. And then I'm going to go ahead and fold it into a semicircle, sew it round, then leave some inches away from the edge to turn it. After turning it, I'm going to sew that place down. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is the right time to subscribe to my channel. What do you think? Yes, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So I'm going to make this fabric like about 8 inches. I used it to close the rough edges. That's what I did. And then for this one, I'm going to find the middle of this semicircle. Then I'm going to gather it from this circle with my hand needle. Then this is it. After gathering them, I'm going to place the small one on top of the other one, and then sew the two together and attach it together. Then with this about 8 inch, in fact whatever that is going to go around for you is what I'm going to make, but this I think I have about 6 to 8 inches, but I'm going to cut the excess that I did earlier. That's what I'm going to use to cover the rough edges, and I also attach the elastic band, then turn it inside out. And that's all for this bow. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.